Mipasaka karong buntag si Dumanhog Mayor Nelson Garcia og motion for reconsideration kalabot sa iyang 6-month suspension nga gipahimangtang sa Kapitolyo kagahapon sa hapon. Si Mayor Garcia nga nahinabi sa Sansar Pilipinas nagkanayon nga iyang respetaran ang suspension order ni Cebu Governor Hilario David III apan padayon niyang in-contest ang maong suspension order. Matud pa ni Garcia nga puno sa irregularidad ang maong order og na-misled lang si Davide sa pag-issue niini. Atong paminawon ang atong interview kang Mayor Garcia.
Well, again, there is a semblance of irregularity. So, under the rules of the Sangguniang, which is in a form of an ordinance, the suspension order, decision of the provincial board, there should be a decision. Until now, there is no decision of the provincial board. It is only the provincial secretary who issued the notice that the committee on awards recommendation was approved by the Sangguniang. So that is not a decision. Because under the rules, the decision should be in writing, explaining why I should be suspended by the board member. It should be the board member who will sign the decision, and no one from the provincial board signed the decision. Nonetheless, we filed a motion for reconsideration, and then I only received that yesterday afternoon. Subsequently, they also issued a suspension order from the office of the governor, which is also questionable, because how come it is now the governor who will suspend me? But under the local government, it is the provincial board, no, not the governor. Because this is not a preventive suspension anymore. If it was a preventive suspension, it's the governor who will issue the preventive suspension. We are just trying to mislead the governor, no? They do not want the provincial board doesn't want to make a blatant mistake for maybe probably will be pushing charges in the future. We want the government to implement the suspension, which is not under the rules of the local government. Now, my legal move karon is that first, file ko karon ng motion for reconsideration sa office of the governor for reasons na ang governor was misled into issuing the suspension order. Citing pa yun sa i-cite pa din ni Honorable Secretary na it is executory, no? Kanang yung decision sa board is executory. So, asa napita ng executory, at the same time, you can appeal, no? At na yung nag-cite na executory only pertains to yung suspension with regards to barangay officials, not mayors or municipal councilors, no? So, klaro kayo nga you disregard of the law. Para mo tayo, tayo kung motion for reconsideration sa office ng governor, explaining to him na you not na misled by the provincial board, no? The first place, there's a question why is it that it's the governor who issued the suspension order? Second, mo yung mga si ito'y executory ang decision sa provincial board, citing kabuhay jurisprudence of Laksaki that pertains to barangay officials, not elected officials sa mayor. So, karo man sa Section 61, gidefine man, gibuwag mo na ang when it comes to barangay officials, it is the decision of this one is executory. So, with regards to one, I still have 15 days to appeal for the office of the president. So, klaro kayo, ilang i-shortcut ang proceeding, hindi misinterpret pa nila ang law. So, tapo kayo na sila o kanang answerable also, na naging ame ko nila. So, this is a pure in the violation of Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act. Sabi nyo, since I have high respect with the governor also, ako yung speaker one, ang governor sa Juan, But at the same time, I do not accept that this process is right, no? They can assume their office, no? But I still believe na lahat ay balaod na akong kasandigan. We'll tell them na you are overlapping or you are going beyond the law na dili na sakto yung ibuhat. No? There is still room for legal remedies, no? That which I have to house until such time na do all my best to prove na kinailagibuhan is pure and simple political harassment.
Ang suspension ni Garcia may kalabutan sa administrative case nga gipasaka ni Dumanhog Vice Mayor Gungun Haka ni adtong 2013 sa pagpili ni Garcia kang Emelu Cabonillas isip Municipal Council Secretary. Minsisir si Haka nga ang pagpili sa Municipal Secretary katungdanan sa Vice Mayor ug dili kang Garcia.